Hey YouTube, this is Quaker from Next Gen Windows, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick tip for Windows 8's Internet Explorer 10 browser. This is the regular desktop app. This does not apply to the modern UI style app. Now when we click on it, this video is actually going to show you how to change your default search provider. Many people don't know how to do this, so I'm going to show you guys how. Now once you boot up your IE10 browser on the desktop, go to the URL bar, and right here you're going to see a search icon, and then right next to it you're going to see a drop down arrow. Now you can notice when you highlight over it, it highlights in blue, similar to that MSN logo's blue. So when you click on the drop down arrow, you see down here a list of things, like a list of search providers that you can use. Aside from that, you also see favorites, but you can see a list of search providers you can use. Now by default mine was set to Bing, as is everyone else's, because Microsoft wants you to use Bing, but I just added Google to mine. And then also there's Yahoo, Ask, Amazon, and eBay. Now the way you add more search providers is actually click this add button right here, and then it takes you to the Internet Explorer gallery, which allows you to add a whole bunch of add-ons and stuff to Internet Explorer. So what you can do is, as you can see right here, if you wanted to add Google, you can add Google search just by clicking on this right here, and then it says add to Internet Explorer. As you already see, I already have it, so I'm going to show you guys how to add add-ons using a different search provider, but you can also, it applies the same to everyone else's. So for instance, if we want to add weather.com, and then we want to add to Internet Explorer, you can choose to make this your default search provider, which I'm not going to, and then you can see all the information from it and where it came from, and then you can click add right here. And then once you click add, click this arrow again, and then you notice right here weather.com showed up. You can click on it, and then when you want to click for weather, you can just say Washington DC, and then once you click Washington DC, it brings you to Weather Channel's search page right here, and then of course you can view current, and so on and so forth. Same applies for Google search. If you want to change what search provider you're using, you can just pick the icon down here after clicking the drop down arrow, and then say click Google, and we can type in, say, derp, and then it searched Google instead. And then one last time I'm going to show you guys what you do is you go up to the URL bar, you see this arrow, click the arrow, and then you go to any of these things down here that you have available on your computer, and then you can say go back to Bing, and then you can have Bing back. So let's just search for Microsoft, and you can see it came up. Yeah, this has been Quaker from Next Gen Windows, and I just showed you how to change your search provider on IE10 desktop app. If you have any comments, I'll catch you later. Put them below. Peace.